Hi guys, how are we today? I hope everyone is good. So, remember what we're talking about? Being resilient, stay home, stay safe. So, as a lot of you guys would know, I'm Renee from Kiwi, and we are going to be making today some sidewalk chalk paint. Yes. So before we get started, I'm going to do a little bit of a recap. And the recap is we made the Play-Doh, or you can make it into slime. Yes. Jetta, the yellow Play-Doh. Love it. Great stuff. And we made our homemade bubbles machine. Remember this one? Remember to breathe out with that. Okay, guys. So today we're going to make some sidewalk chalk paint. The ingredients we're going to use today is flour. Doesn't matter what flour. I've just got self-raising flour. And we are going to be using water. Doesn't have to be hot water. Don't use hot water. I've just got a jug. Okay. And we are going to be using dishwashing liquid. Doesn't have to be palm olive. And we are going to use food coloring. So let's get started, guys. All right, so how we start this off today is we are going to add a cup of flour. I hope everyone is safe. Hope you're not going to too crazy being at home. But if we all stay resilient, with resilient guys, a lot of you guys will know what I'm talking about. It's about never giving up. Okay, when you fall down, get back out. So let's do 1 cup of flour. Boom. Okay. There is our flour. We are going to mix in to our bowl 1 cup of flour. Next thing we're going to be doing is we are going to mix the water. 1 cup of water. Remember, it does not have to be hot. Now, kids, before you start this as well, make sure you have a parent around. Make sure you have permission to put the chalk on your sidewalk or driveway with your parents or with your guardians. Could be nan, pop, portal, auntie, uncle. So I've mixed the water in, and now I am mixing the flour and the water together. Now we want to mix it so there's no lumps. Okay, guys? So I'm mixing it up. Mix it right up until there is no lumps. If you need to add more water, add more water. It's up to you. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water. Now what we're doing is we're mixing. So we've got no lumps. You use the power tools in the background. My husband is downstairs renovating. Best time to be doing it while on lockdown. Okay. I hope everyone is remembering washing their hands. Wash your hands. Cop into your elbow. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting into no lumps. All right, team. Oh, we just had a little of a disaster there, but that's okay. I've got paper towels. Good. Yep. Now mixing still. Now what we're going to do now is, I've got no lumps, pretty easy. We're going to add a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, okay? So, there we go. Don't be too fussed about it. If you put a little bit more in, that's fine. And then you mix in the dishwashing liquid. Now I've mixed in dishwashing liquid. Hey Levi, that's his son walking out of his bedroom. Now with the food colouring, I'm going to use red, okay? You can use any colour you want. Now you just put how much food colouring you want to put in to your colour. So put a few drops in, let's see how that works. Mixing it in, wow, that's a good red. Oh, it's looking a little bit pink. So it's a good thing about red is you can just put a little bit in and make it into a light pink. I think I'm going to go pink because I really like the colour. Be right back, guys. Now you can put this mixture into different kinds of bottles. If you don't have bottles, you can use Glad bags. Or if you don't have any bottles, I just going to reuse like conditioner bottles, empty ones, like that, so you can squirt it onto your concrete. So we are going to try this out. Try and use a funnel. I don't have a funnel today. I can't find it. I don't know what happened to it, guys. So let's just see. Levi, can you hold that for me? And I'm going to try and see how great we are going to measure up. Not too bad, guys. So there's a bottle. One picked up. Oh. There we go. Now, if you don't have bottles, the other option is that you can use Glad bags. So, there's my bottle, so you can squirt it. Or, you can use a Glad bottle, bag. Pour it in. Awesome. Now, don't forget, make sure you get permission and know that your parents. And what you can do is there, and you can tie it, okay? So mine's a little bit runny today, but you can add more flour if you think it's too runny. And what you can do is just tie it up, cut a little hole, and there we go. All right. Mine's probably a little bit running today, but the other one is you've got the bottom, okay? So you can just use it on your driveway, or I'm just going to use a piece of paper for now and write. Actually, let's go outside, guys, and I'll show you what we can be doing. Oh, sorry, guys, my phone just went up. Okay, follow me. Gonna go outside, sunshine. what we're going to do, oh, lighting's not very good, is I'm going to try it on the concrete. There we go. Drawing some pictures. Cool. And then that will dry up. I don't know if you guys can see the picture. Okay. Let's see my car. Great. Okay, guys. So, thanks for watching me on KiwiCan. And hope everyone is staying home and staying safe. Thanks, guys. Bye.